It is now 4 p.m. on June 26, Beijing time. Last Friday, the video suggested that EURUSD should go long below 1.0812. After the release, the lowest price was 1.0845, which was 33 points away from the entry point. It rose to 1.0913 in advance, with a total of 68 points increase. Then there is gold. Last Friday, it was recommended to go long below 1903. After the release, the gold price did not step back. It rose from 1916.6 to 1937.5 in advance, with a cumulative increase of 209 points. Both directions are correct, but no entry can only be used as a reference for direction. In addition to manual intraday signals, Laodai's master account has also been using EA programs to make high-weight targets, such as EURUSD and GBPUSD. From June 1st to today, the net profit is $12,766. The net rate of return in May was as high as 17%, and it is expected to be less than 10% in June. But it still maintains a stable monthly rate of 10 to 17%. Those who are interested can add the contact information at the top of the screen to find me and ask for the observation password. After logging into the account, you can see the whole process of real-time operation. The password will be disclosed for a week, and if it suits you, consider joining the traders group or participating in account management business. How to operate today? First, look at EURUSD. The Fed has suppressed the market's interest rate cut expectations and raised interest rate hike expectations. More financial banks and institutions believe that the Fed intends to change the banking industry's long-term low interest rate to long-term high interest rate environment. It is expected that the Fed will continue to raise interest rates to maintain high interest rates as expected by the market. Now, the Eurozone has entered a recession economically, but the US is doing better than them. Before the Fed completely ends this round of interest rate hike cycle, the US dollar index may continue to rise, and it is recommended that EURUSD should sell short at 1.0960 to 1.1025, with a stop loss at 1.1035. As for gold, Russia's domestic events are developing rapidly and are full of drama. But there are too many true and false news. Judging from the trend of gold, the impact is limited. But it will also create a bad possibility for the future financial market and global political conflicts. If the risk breaks out, gold and the US dollar may become one of the safe haven products favored by market funds. In the current environment, although the monetary policies of various countries are also raising interest rates, not every country can support continuous interest rate hikes like the US economy. And some countries will go ahead with a wave of QE within the year. This is also the reason why medium and long-term funds are supporting gold both. 1912 and 1900 below the gold price are the key short-term supports, and you can do long positions near this range within the day. Gold can be long at 1911 to 1900, stop loss at 1898. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, GPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is last Friday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Laodai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Warren Buffett.